Hello everyone, I'm Georgia Galeras here in the beautiful Crestron booth at CEDIA 2025 in Denver, Colorado. I wanted to take you in and show you our latest innovation when it comes to setting up Crestron Home, Configure Pro. This will make deploying Crestron Home projects easier, faster, more reliable, and just an awesome experience. So let's take you in and just show you. As you can see, the UI is sleek and modern, everything you expect. It works on both Windows and Mac. So let's do a quick flash tour. As you can see, the flow and process is very similar to the setup app everyone is very familiar with, but it is a modern UI where you can see so much more going on at once. If I'm at devices, you can see all of my parts of the house, my whole house sections, and my floors, my living room, and it all is in this very nice drop-down menu version. You can even see the number of devices in each room. Super awesome. Maybe adding devices. Now look how easy this process is. You can add just as you expect, but maybe we want to go to drivers. One really cool thing that we added is a lot of modern amenities and conveniences. So I can search for drivers without going into TVs or displays specifically. I could just look up Sony, search, and then boom, those Sony drivers appear super quick. This will make the deployment of these projects so much faster and just more quality of life improvements across the board. Of course, you're seeing routing as well. The scene configuration is so powerful with what you can do here. It's all the things you've come to expect from Crestron in terms of the flexibility that you could provide. We've opened up early access of Configure Pro, so get your hands on it, give it a try. Our team of engineers is actively listening for feedback, so be part of the creation to make an awesome tool and deliver your clients an exceptional experience. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at crestronhome.com.